What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Toby.
My name is Heidi.
And we are going over our AMA questions sent to us by our CT Club members. What is our CT Club? It's where you get our trade alerts, our portfolio updates, market updates, all that other stuff. So if you want to see what we're doing in the crypto space, the link is below. So let's get into it.
Yeah, so here's today's question from one of our members. Is it time to take profits or just hodl as we will see a bigger pump?
Okay, well, first you have to ask yourself, what's Do Kwon doing right now? What's Michael Saylor doing right now? What are the smartest money in the world doing right now? They're buying Bitcoin. I think Do Kwon, as this right now, they've bought like $1.5 billion out of $10 billion that he's going to buy in Bitcoin to back UST, which is the decentralized stablecoin. So yeah, and Michael Saylor just borrowed against his Bitcoin to buy $250 million worth. So I'm holding, you can sell and you can try to guess if this is the bottom or not, but that's pretty much, picking pennies in front of steamrollers. Why do that? I have a longer term outlook. What are your thoughts?
For anyone who's been in crypto, maybe this is especially if it's been your first 6 months or the first year in crypto, you've experienced some pretty good rises in price, and you've also experienced some pretty boring phases in the Bitcoin price, especially. You've seen your altcoins drop like a rock. So now that we're kind of seeing things start to tick up again, it gets really exciting, and finally you're maybe starting to see some profits, maybe for the first time. And we're always suggesting for you to check out dollar cost averaging. Also, don't be afraid to take profits, but please, before you do anything, formulate an investment plan so that you are following that plan regardless of whatever kind of new emotions you may be having with the crypto market, so that you're meeting your financial goals and having an overall good experience, because you've already thought this thoroughly out and you know exactly what you need to accomplish. And when you meet those goals, go for it.
So with that said, I just did a trade alert for a CT Club, kind of like a trade update, market update. And I said, hey, listen, if people need cash right now, we've just pumped like 10 grand almost, over the past month or so. And, back from like 38,000 to 48,000. So I said, hey, listen, if you guys need cash, now might not be a bad time to take a little bit of profit. I said, I'm not taking profit because I have a different mindset. I'm very extreme in what I'm doing.
Plan.
Exactly. And I know what I want. I don't feel comfortable with a lot of money in fiat. I just don't.
Yeah. Also, if you're hearing this, maybe you can take some profits, but you're looking at your holdings of crypto, and for you to take profits, it'd be not that much. Maybe you're still in the kind of accumulation phase of your investment journey in crypto. So be patient, have a longer term outlook. Sooner rather than later, probably you're going to have a lot more fruitful profits to harvest when the time comes. So maybe it's not your time yet to take profits. Again, if you only invested a really small amount and you're seeing some profits, but maybe it's like $10 worth or something, maybe just wait it out and see what it's like. We're all on different levels here. But yeah, this concept of, will we see a bigger pump? Toby and I, and with our experience of what we've studied and what we're seeing develop with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies globally, how it's reacting to these really crazy geopolitical times, it's pretty bullish. So we always kind of think there's going to be a bigger pump coming, not to inspire too much FOMO. But again, it's all within balance, right? Don't go all in. Don't pull everything out. This is not financial advice. My only advice would be to create your own investment plan and follow that.
So I did a trade alert the other day of we bought like a micro cap, like really low micro cap, something that didn't have a lot of volume, and it exploded 30%. And so I'm like, all right, I think it's probably time to take a little bit of profit from my initial investment. So these are the kind of profits that I take, like if you make 30% in like 5 days, why not? You know what I mean?
That's a good point
cool.
too. It's like the more speculative that you view an asset, especially if it's a micro cap, those should be the first on your list to take profits from, just because they're more risky. You don't know how long they'll last. They're more likely to give a correction where if you wanted to, you could buy back in. So
anyways,
that's a good point.
That's all we have today. Please like and subscribe and check us down below for our CT Club, and we will talk to you guys soon.
Bye, guys.